Hello and welcome to a special edition of the Bunny and Teddy video diaries. As you can see, I'm all a bit more dressed up here with a nice shirt and I'm not really looking my best here. What's gone wrong? Wait a minute, let's just see if I can sort this out for you. Oh, that's not too bad at all, is it now? Wow. Well, I better go and show Bunny.
Hello, Peg. Hello, baby. Wow.
What do you think?
Really nice.
Yeah?
I love it.
So,
Beautiful.
this video is all about our celebrating our 6 months anniversary on YouTube, and we'd like to thank everybody who's watched the videos, more importantly the subscribers. We've got 63 subscribers at the moment, and we'd like to thank each and every one of you for
your support.
Supporting the channel.
Yeah, and you watching our videos.
We'd like to get some comments of you to say whether you'd like the videos or whether you'd like the way the videos have been made, and is there any content that you'd like to see from us?
And what would you like to see more regarding cooking?
Particularly the cooking. Of course, the travel side of things is a bit sketchy at the moment.
Yes.
We've still got some to show you from a couple of years ago, as well as the German trilogy of 2018. That's late 2018.
Yeah.
So 2019 we were more staycationing.
Yes.
And obviously 2020 we didn't do anything at all. So, well, actually we did, didn't we? We went
to
Cheltenham. Check out those videos, obviously. So, as we've got 63 subscribers, we'd like to have more, and then if we can get up to 100, we might just do a Q&A, because there'd be enough people to actually ask enough questions to develop that sort of idea and do a Q&A if that would interest anybody. But we need 100 subscribers, so if you know of anybody that might like the channel, and if you're new here and you're looking at this video for the first time and you're wondering what we're about, just check out our channel. It's all linked below in the description, along with one or two of our favourite videos. That's the idea, do a Q&A, providing we get up to 100 subscribers.
But you really enjoy making them. I'm getting a bit more confident to do the cooking part of it, and I hope you like it, guys.
And there's going to be a few more cooking videos to come as well.
Yeah.
And obviously that musical back catalogue thing that I do.
It's a bit of way, for me it's a way to sort of share my passion with you, my excitement about food.
And she is excited about food. She is a professional chef. She knows what she's doing, and she's able to bring more of that and get you guys involved in doing the dishes themselves as well. But that's about it. If you're new here, I'm Teddy, this is Bunny. Please subscribe, like and share the videos that we create. Let's get to 100. We'll do a Q&A, as I say, but enjoy the videos that are going to be coming up. We've got some Turkish eggs to show you, as well as our favourite coffee that we like to drink. They're the next two videos coming up, but in the meantime, look forward to the rest of the travel stuff, and
you take care.
We'll see you again on another one. Subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to hit the bell. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.
Take care.
Bye for now.
Bye.